Hello and welcome back to our channel, Chasing My Asian Queen. In this video, we are on Siargao Island in the Philippines. We visit Cloud 9 and we stay 7 days at Siargao Blue Resort. This clip, Hannah catches the drone by hand. She's getting better and better. I'm so proud of her. We were on the island for a total of 7 days, and this was the only window that we had sunshine out of the 7 days. So we jumped in a taxi, run down to Cloud 9 and got some video, got the drone up in the air, and was enjoying the sunshine while it lasted. Here's a sneak peek of Anna at Siargao Blue Resort. A lot more footage at the end of this video. The wind was blowing and the water was rough. Not very many surfers were in the water. Only the experienced surfers were in the water. But the water was crystal clear and blue. Here's a shot of the whole island from Cloud 9. I did a 360 of it. The coconut trees are amazing. They're scattered all over the island. You can't even find the houses in some cases because they're so thick. But it's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. With the blue water and the coconut palms, typical Pacific island. Here's Anna at the famous Cloud 9 boardwalk sign. And here she is, getting ready to catch the drone again. Here's Anna relaxing in the swimming pool at Siargao Blue Resort. The place is really nice. Cabins are really nice. Outside showers and bathrooms. And the swimming pool is amazing. Here's an aerial shot of Anna relaxing. Anna's enjoying the swimming pool, and I'm having a good time playing with my drone. This is the full length of the pool, and straight in front of Anna, at the end of the pool, is the bar restaurant. You sit at the bar at the restaurant and you have drinks and dinner, and you look at the beautiful view of the pool, and then right after that is the ocean. I hope you liked this video. Give it the thumbs up and subscribe and share it with your friends. That would be great. Drone footage is Anna next to a little cove, right next to a little bar they have there for the resort. As we get up a little higher and higher, you'll see the waves crashing over the reef. Here's a great view of the entire swimming pool there at Siargao Blue Resort. Here again, Anna's going to catch the drone, and this would be the final day of our time in Siargao Island, Philippines. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the thumbs up, share, and like. Thank you.